Hello everyone, welcome to the form filling video of IPM Indore 2024. The exam is going to be held on 23rd May 24 and the last date to register for the form is 26th March 24. And that's the official link to start the registration process. Now, before we see the step-by-step form filling video, let us see few of the important things that all the candidates must be aware about. Now, the eligibility criteria is for age, the candidate should have born on or after 1st August and you get a 5 years of age relaxation if you belong to SC, ST and PWD category. Now, as far as the qualifying exam is concerned, which is 12th standard, if you have finished your 12th standard in the year 22 or 23 or are going to appear in 24, you can take the test. And for 10th standard, you need to have passed the 10th standard. Now, note 1, candidates who are likely to complete their 12th standard by the end of 31st July 24 can also apply provided they meet the eligibility criteria. And this note 2 is very important. The percentage of marks that they are supposed to fill in the form for 10th and 12th should be aggregate of all the subjects irrespective of the board. Next, note 3. Applicants completed their 10th and 12th standard pursuing it from international schools affiliated to foreign boards can also apply. Those candidates are required to produce the IB Indian percentage transcript. And the note 4 is IIM Indore reserves the right to decide the eligibility condition in terms of equivalence. Now, next is the application process. The last date to register is 26th March 24 and the applicable fees is Rs 4130 for open category, and if you belong to SC, ST and PWD category, the fees is 2065 rupees. Very important, no change in the category will be entertained once the application is submitted. Now, this is the official link to start the registration process. The moment you click on this link, you will see these two pop-ups, which is basically recommending the browser which is supposed to be used to fill the application form, followed by the privacy note. You click on I agree. The moment you click on I agree, you will see this tab, registration form IPMAT 24, wherein you need to fill the name, your gender, the category, then if you have any disability, yes, no, followed by the email address. You need to reconfirm the email address, select the nationality, your country of residence, you need to mention your number and confirm the mobile number. Very important, the name should be exactly as per the class 10th mark sheet. After that, you will see a CAPTCHA. Enter the CAPTCHA. You need to certify, declare I hereby certify, click on agree and re-verify. Now, very important, the moment you click on re-verify, you will see this table coming up which will ask you to confirm the details and click on the checkbox. You will see your name, gender, category, person with disability, all those things. Click on all the checkbox and re-verify. The moment you click on re-verify, you will get your user ID and password on the registered email ID. And the moment you click on re-verify, you will see this tab opening up and you have to start filling the form here. Fill the application form. Click on this and you will see your application number and the name of the candidate. Start filling your father's name, your mother's name, followed by other personal details like date of birth, your category, nationality and all those things. Now, after that, you will see the correspondent address details. Mention the detailed address with the appropriate PIN code, your email address and the mobile number. Then below this, you will see a tab which says specifications for uploading the document. Now, the next step is to upload the documents in the form of the passport size photograph, and you also need to upload the scanned copy of the valid ID proof. Now, before you upload the documents, please make sure that the category certificate, if you belong to any category, the category certificate should be in the prescribed form issued by the competent authority. Now, let us see what are the prerequisites before you upload the documents. You need to upload your recent passport size photograph, which should not be more than 6 months old, and it should be compulsorily in the white background. Also have some extra copies because you need to take the photograph during the time of the interview as well. The maximum size allowed for the photograph is 80 KB and it should be in the JPEG or JPG format only. As far as the signature is concerned and the valid photo ID proof is concerned, the maximum size for signature is 80 KB. The format is JPEG and JPG, and for the valid photo ID proof, the maximum size is 300 KB. Then it will ask you to upload all these documents. Upload your photograph and the signature and the valid ID proof and click on Save and Exit. After that, it will ask you to upload your class 10th and class 12th mark sheet. For class 10th and 12th, the format allowed is only PDF and the maximum size is 300 KB. Then upload your class 10th and 12th mark sheet. Before that, it will ask you to fill the aggregate percentage. You will select the board name, your school name and the year of completion. Very important, as mentioned earlier, you need to take into account all the subjects. Don't take best of 3, best of 4. You need to take the aggregate of all the subjects irrespective of the board. After that, once you are done with class 10th details, you will see standard 12th details. Now, if you have completed your class 12, you will select yes. If no, they will just ask you to select the university, your board name, and you will upload the document. If you have completed your class 12, click on Save and Exit. After that, very important step is the exam center city preference. Here, if you see, you have to select 5 city preference based on your current location. Select all the appropriate cities and you need to select the preference city one by one. This year, the interview is going to be held offline mode. So after you are done with the preferred city for the test, the next tab you will see is you can select 2 interview city preference for the IPMAT 24 test. Accordingly, select the appropriate cities. You need to mention 2 city preferences. Click on Save and Exit. Then comes the last step, which is just paying the applicable fees. For the open category, general category, the fees is 4130 inclusive of GST. Then click on I agree, then submit, enter the CAPTCHA, and you will see the payment tab. Select the appropriate mode of payment and make the payment of 4130. Your form is duly filled. Wishing you guys all the best. Thank you.